Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Steno Dictation Hub. Today's matter is a editorial matter and the subject of the matter is the gender pay gap, hard truths and actions needed. It consists 370 words and the speed will be 70 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. India is among the most important countries when it comes to the global economic growth and structural transformation story. Stop. A commensurate improvement in its labor market outcomes and a fair distribution of the fruits of economic progress will spur further economic growth and the benefits it brings. Stop. But, unsurprisingly, in a country the size and diversity of India, asymmetries still abound in the country's labor market. Stop. Para. Yesterday was the third International Equal Pay Day 2022. The day falls on September 18 and it is time to pause and reflect on the extent of progress made towards closing the gender pay gap and reaffirming our collective commitment to the effective and accelerated realization of the principle equal pay for work of equal value stop. This becomes all the more important in the present context, given the disproportionate effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on women workers in terms of job and income losses. Stop. Full and productive economic growth requires a human-centered recovery from the pandemic, which will be made possible by improving women's employment outcomes and reducing the gender pay gap. Stop. Para. While the full impact of the pandemic is yet to be known, it is clear that its impact has been uneven, with women being among the worst affected in terms of their income security, partly due to their representation in sectors hard hit by COVID-19, combined with the gendered division of family responsibilities. Stop. Many women reverted to full-time care of children and the elderly during the pandemic, foregoing their livelihoods to do so. Stop. This is attested by the International Labour Organization's Global Wage Report 20-21 which suggests the crisis inflicted massive downward pressure on wages and disproportionately affected women's total wages compared to men. Stop. This greater wage reduction for women means that the pre-existing gender pay gap has widened. Stop. Para. Evidence shows that the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act within bracket MG Narega in 2005 benefited rural women workers and helped reduce the gender pay gap, both directly and indirectly. Stop. Directly, by raising the pay levels of women workers who participated in the program, and indirectly, benefits accrued to women involved in agricultural occupations through higher earnings, as MG Narega contributed to the rapid rise in overall rural and agricultural wages in the country. Stop.